Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stay online on Fiverr. Whether you're a freelancer looking to maximize your visibility or trying to catch more client messages as they come in, understanding how Fiverr's online status works can make a real difference in your response time and overall presence on the platform. First things first, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, before we dive into the settings, here's something crucial you need to know. There is no official always online forever button on Fiverr. The platform automatically controls your online status based on real activity to keep things fair for all sellers. So while we can adjust some settings, Fiverr ultimately determines your status by tracking whether you're genuinely active on the site. With that in mind, let's explore what you can control. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Fiverr profile and how you appear to potential buyers. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the section labeled Personal Information and click on it. This area contains details about your profile visibility and how others see you on the platform. Now scan through the options until you find Visibility. Right beside it, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click that to access the visibility controls. Below the visibility heading, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the available options, select Online. This setting helps indicate to Fiverr that you want to appear online when you're active on the platform. However, remember that this doesn't override Fiverr's automatic tracking system. It simply communicates your preference. Now, if you really want to maintain your online status more consistently, here's an alternative approach that actually works better. The key is to be genuinely active in your account. Instead of fully logging out when you step away, consider keeping Fiverr open in a tab or running it as a background app. This is especially effective on mobile devices where the app can stay active even when you're multitasking. By keeping Fiverr accessible in the background, the platform registers your presence more frequently. This means when clients browse for sellers or send messages, you're more likely to appear as available. Just remember, you still need to interact with the platform periodically. Clicking through messages, checking your dashboard, or updating your gigs all count as activity that keeps your status fresh. And that's how you maximize your online presence on Fiverr. By adjusting your visibility settings and staying genuinely active, you'll improve your chances of appearing online when it matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.